A very good morning to you, grade 7s, all the way from Nigeria. I'm presenting a lesson to you on substitution. We did this last week, and this is kind of a revision session. So remember, sir said that substitution is when I give you a specific equation and I tell you that an unknown variable equals to something. For example, 3n plus 4. If n is equal to 2. So wherever you see n, you will substitute, or I use the word plug in 2 wherever you see n. When you have a coefficient next to a variable, you also know that this also equals to 3 times n. So in other words, you will then have 3 times 2 because n is equal to 2 plus 4. And instead of making a multiplication sign, we use brackets because we know brackets also represent multiplication. Oh, not n, 2 plus 4. And we know that 3 times 2 is 6 plus 4 equals to 10. Remember, Botma says that you must do brackets first. The next one, over here we have 7 minus 2m. If m is equal to 3, so I tell you m is equal to 3, so wherever you see an m, you substitute 3. In other words, you plug in the number 3. So we have 7, the constant, minus 2 as your coefficient, and the variable that we now know is 3. Botma says do brackets first. 2 times 3 is 6. And remember to bring down your 7 minus. And we know that 7 minus 6 is 1. I hope this all makes sense. I'll do 2 more. And the substitute teacher should hand out a very nice worksheet for you, which has very, very simple substitution equations for you. Let's quickly finish this up. Let a equal to 3 and b equal to 4. So here I give you 2 variables and I tell you what these 2 variables equal to. A is equal to 3, so wherever you see an a, you substitute a 3. Wherever you see a b, you substitute 4. Now we have a, b plus 5. A and b. This just means a multiplied by b. Same, it's the same as my 2m. 2 multiplied by m. A multiplied by b. So a is equal to 3, open bracket, b is equal to 4, plus 5. Botma says to brackets first. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 5, and 12 plus 5 equals to 17. Last one. 7 plus y divided over 2 if y is equal to 5. So whenever you see a y, you'll substitute a 5. Let's do this. 7 plus 5 divided by 2. You want to get rid of all the unnecessary operations and only be left with division. So we're going to do the numerator first. 7 plus 5 should give you 12. Divided by 2, which will give you 6. And that, in a nutshell, is what substitution is. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. The worksheet activities should be easy and you shouldn't find any difficulties in completing it. Have a wonderful day, grade 7s.